Yo, so I already know it's gonna be a lot of people that's watching this video right now like, yo, does the vintage really have on a Chiefs jersey, Chiefs hat? I'm literally Chiefs all the way down. And you guys already know what today is, man. It's Super Bowl Sunday. And I was gonna refrain from dropping a video until I started doing a little bit of research, started seeing what's going on as far as sneaker community. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a little bit of time out of my day, come up on here, drop a video for you guys, put y'all on, let y'all know some possible shock drops. So we will be seeing today for the Super Bowl, man. If you guys new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. If you never read the description of the channel, we talk about all shock drops, restocks, of course, early releases, all that good stuff we talk about on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned for all that by subbing up and hitting the notification bell right now. And follow me on Twitter, bro. Like, Twitter is the most important, piece of all of this, the whole formula. Twitter is the most important because I can literally retweet whatever's going on as far as sneaker community, like a snap of a finger, put you guys on, send you those links, so you are, in the best position to cop whatever is dropping as far as shock drops, restocks, or any of that good stuff. And before we go ahead and start talking about the sneakers that should be shock dropping today, I want to let you guys know that we do have an early look on the Air Jordan 1 watch heritages. These will be releasing June the 10th, 2023 for retail tag of $180. Super clean colorway, one that I definitely know will get slept on. But I'm telling you guys, when I did the unboxing, I was a little bit shocked that the quality was like this. I was like, yo, hold on, these is actually high-key tough. And I want you guys to know that these right here are going to be slept on, so you don't got to pull the trigger too crazy. Don't even expect to pay a lot of resale. But if you're out there, you love Air Jordan 1s, this is definitely one of the ones that you want to go out and cop before later on down the line people are like, hold on, the watch heritages are literally this dope, and then people gonna start hyping them up and everybody going to get them, which is going to raise the resale value. So go ahead and tap in ASAP with the Air Jordan 1 watch heritages. I did an early look. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box so you guys can go tap into it. All right, man, so you guys been seeing it on Twitter, on IG, all that good stuff. We seen a tweet from the lovely A Ma Maniere brand, and they put out a date, and it said February the 12th, 2023, which happens to be the Super Bowl. So you guys already know what happened over on Twitter. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's like, yo, what is going on? What is going to happen as far as sneakers at? What's Nike going to do? And if you guys remember, a couple of years ago, they shock dropped the Air Jordan 3 Justin Timberlake. I think that was back in 2017 or 2018. I'm not too sure. Do not quote me, please. But I do remember specifically that it was a shock drop during the halftime. So you guys can expect A Ma Maniere to drop something for this Super Bowl Sunday. I happen to have the Air Jordan 12 white pair. I know a lot of people talking about the black pair, but me specifically, I do hope it is the white one, man, so you guys can see how dope they are. We do have them right here. All right, guys, so check them out. You guys see the box, super dope. We're going to have pull these things out real quick. I've been showing these a couple of times on the channel just so you guys can tap in. I don't want these things to go overlooked, you know what I mean? I know it's a black pair, it is a white pair, but this one right here by far has to be my favorite out of two. I don't have the black pair, so I can't give that a solid stamp of approval as far as which one is better. But typically white Air Jordan 12s with that little bit of splash color on the mud guard tends to do better than the black pair. And the black pair has an all over suede hit over the sneaker, and with the white pair you get that white tumble leather going around the entire sneaker with that little velvety suede on the left side and even on the inner of these A Ma Maniere Air Jordan 12s. Something also cool about these sneakers, you get this little hang tag right here that comes with pretty much every one of the A Ma Maniere sneakers. You have it in white, it says A Ma Maniere with the Jordan logo over here, and it has the same thing on the opposite side of the tag, so you guys can peep that. I'm telling y'all, the quality, the details for this pair was actually pretty dope. And then for the other sneaker, you guys can check it out. It was no extra laces that came with these. Just a pretty much all over dope sneaker. And I do know there's a lot of people in the review that we did a little bit earlier, they say, yo, they like the black pair better. But right now I'm gonna pose a question to you guys, a little debate. Which one of you guys rocking out more, the white pair or the black pair? Me, like I said, I don't have the black pair, but the white pair is super dope, man. You got the quilted material on the inner, so you guys see on the sock liner, got that velvety suede, and it's super soft, like really soft. And you know what, I'm gonna drop the video down below in the description box. The video going crazy, it's like 100,000 views already. One of the first on YouTube to break these things out to you guys. Pay a little pretty penny, just for the vintage squad. So I need everybody to hit that like button right now for your boy. And then also on the inner of the box, you get the A Ma Maniere logo in the middle with Jordan during the flu game, quote unquote, even though they said later on down the line it was like food poison or something. But you guys know he put in a lot of work in the Air Jordan 12 flu games. I'm gonna show you those bad boys real quick because I haven't even broken them out of the drop front in like a couple of years now. All right, guys, so check them out, the Air Jordan 12 flu games. I think this was back in 2021, if I'm not mistaken, or 2020 when they dropped the Air Jordan 12 low Super Bowls. But if you guys remember, they had the same exact colorway as the flu games. Only thing difference was the inner of the sneaker kind of had like some grass material. It wasn't even material, just like a look of it being the turf of an actual football field, but it had the same exact colorway as the flu games. And like I said, man, he put a lot of work in on these. It's probably one of the best Air Jordan 12s to ever release, in my opinion. I think the second runner-up would have to be the cherries, just because we haven't got those yet. Everybody's still waiting, and it's still not even 100% confirmed that we are getting them this year in 2023. So check them out, man. You have the white pair of the A Ma Manieres that are potentially going to be dropping on the Nike SNKRS app. I'm very interested in seeing what Nike is going to do, what they're going to pull out their sleeve, because this is one of the best releases of 2023, in my opinion. You guys let me know how you feel about these joints down below in the comment section right now. Super dope. Got the A Ma Maniere on the back. These joints is just tough, bro. That's all I can say. Lost for words. Love the quality, love the material. And hey, man, you guys let me know how you rocking with them down below in the comment section. Like I said, another shoe that I did hear that Nike was going to shock drop. There's rumors. I don't want y'all, you know what I'm saying, running with it. But the rumor, hey, that was kind of hard. You know, Super Boel Sunday running with it. Okay, then never mind. That was kind of lame. But anyways, I heard that the Air Jordan 3 white cements could also be shock dropping today as well. You know, usually we get shock drops a couple of weeks before the drop. Just like the Air Jordan 13 playoffs that just shock drop, we could potentially see something happening today for the white cements, aka the Reimagined, dropping it on the Nike SNKRS app as well. So like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned, tap into the Twitter so you guys get all notifications over there, because when I'm watching the game, I'm gonna be locked in. Go Chiefs. And for everybody saying I'm a bandwagon fan, I want y'all to go do your research on the channel. Go back I've been on YouTube for like 5 years. Go do your research. I've been a Chiefs fan even when we were losing. I've been a Chiefs fan since Matt Castle, and that's just the first person I could. Trent Green. I don't even want to go down that rabbit hole, but just know your boy's 100% legit a real Chiefs fan, man. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Be prepared today for these shock drops that could potentially be happening. Let me know down below in the comment section if you're coming after the Super Bowl, if you got that huge dub. I'm very interested in knowing, man. Sub up to the channel, hit the notification bell, you shouldn't miss out on any of this exclusive access details. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Exclusive access details that's happening in the sneaker community. I'm here for you guys. I'm trying to help y'all out. So hey, man, let's go ahead and keep grinding together. Let's go ahead and keep trying to get these dubs together and see what Nike has up their sleeve all 2023. Leave a huge like on today's video, and please let me know right now if you're going for the Chiefs or the Eagles in the Super Bowl. Hey, it's gonna be a lot of discussion, a lot of debate down below, but me, I'm taking the Chiefs all day, baby. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.